keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Welcome students to Subtraction Part 2. In the last video, we taught you how to do subtraction without borrowing and with borrowing. Now, we will see how to solve word problems. Rani buys a dress worth rupees 425 and sandals worth rupees 250. How much more does she spend on the dress than on the shoes? For solving the word problems, the first thing is you will write the steps. That is, here money spent on the dress. How much money was spent? Rupees 425. Next step, money spent on sandals. How much money was spent? Rupees 250. Now what we are supposed to find? More money spent on dress than on sandal. How will you get that? How much more she spent, I have to subtract from the dress money the sandals money. So the remaining money that I get will give me how much more money she spent on the dress than on sandals. So 425 minus 250 will give you 175. So the answer is Rani spent rupees 175 more on dress than on sandals. Now let us see some another word problems. The answer to an addition is 989. One of the number is 516. Find the other number. So first we will write the steps, that is the data that is given to you. We are given that the sum of addition is 989. One of the number is 516. So to find another number, we are going to subtract 516 from 989. Now for doing the subtraction, we will arrange them in the vertical position, and that is 100, tens and unit. Starting from the units place, 9 minus 6, what will remain? 3. 8 minus 1. If I subtract 1 from 8, what will be remaining? 7. 9 minus 5. How much is the difference? 4. So the answer is 473. So we got another digit as 473. Now if you want to cross-check whether your answer is right or wrong, the question is the sum of the two digits is 989. One digit was 516 and another digit you got is 473. If I add 473 and 516, I should get 989. Then my answer is correct. Did you do the addition? Are you getting 989? Yes, our answer is right. This was just a method to check whether your answer is right or wrong. Another word problem. The answer to an addition is 630. Choose any number smaller than 400 as one of the numbers. Find the other number. Your first step will be sum of two numbers is equal to 630. Now let us assume one number as 315. You can assume your own number, but The condition is the number should be smaller than 400. You can also choose 215, you can choose 216, you can choose 399 also. The only thing you have to remember is it should be less than 400. Understood? Now, here I have chosen the number 315. Now, to find the other number, I will subtract 630 minus 315. Doing the subtraction, arranging first vertically, then starting with the subtraction from the units place, 5 minus 0. So I have to borrow 1 from tens. So it will be 10 minus 5, that is 5. In the tens place, now I am having 2 minus 1. So I will get the answer 1. 3 subtracting from 6, I will get 3. So the other number that I got is 315. Children, remember, in this type of problem, you can select your own digit, but you have to remember the condition that is given to you for the selection of the number. And then, accordingly, you will solve and you will get your own answer. Till now, you have seen that word problems are given to you and you have to solve it. Now, we will see how to make word problems. First, I will make my own word problem and then solve it. Let us start by making a word problem. Here, you are given using the words literate and illiterate and the numbers 5067 and 2134. Write a subtraction problem and solve it. So, we are going to make a word problem using the words literate and illiterate and the figures 5067 and 2134. Children, listen. For making a word problem, you can use your own ideas and make your word problems. For example, I am giving you a word problem made by me. Is it clear with all of you? I am making my own word problem. In a village, there are 5067 literate people and 2134 illiterate people. How many more literate people are there than the illiterate? So, I have made the word problem. Now, I am supposed to solve it. So, starting with the steps, number of literate is equal to 5067. Number of illiterate is equal to 2134. What I am supposed to find out? The more number of literate. So, therefore, more number of literate is equal to 5067 minus 234. So now, making a vertical arrangement of 5067 minus 2134. So in the units place, 7 minus 4 will give me 3. Tens place, 6 minus 3 will give me 3. In 100 place, I have to subtract 1 from 0. That I cannot do. So I will borrow 1000. So 10 minus 1 will give me 9, and in 1000 place 4 minus 2 will give me 2. So the answer is there are 2933 more literate people in the village. Let us move to a next word problem. Write a subtraction problem with the answer 1000. See children, in this sum I am given that the answer should be 1000. So, I have to make my own word problems and choose the digits of my own choice. The only condition here is that the subtraction answer that I get after solving should be 1000. There are 4000 trees of mango and chiku in a farm. If out of them 3000 are mango trees, how many will be chiku trees? So starting with the steps, total number of trees is equal to 4000. Number of mango trees is equal to 3000. Therefore, the number of chiku trees are, I have to subtract from the total number of trees the number of mango trees. Then I will get the chiku trees. So it will be 4000 minus 3000. By doing the subtraction, I am getting the answer 1000. Are you all clear? So, there are 1000 chiku trees in the farm. For solving the word problems, there are 3 steps. First step is writing the information that is given to you in the form of steps. Second step is solving and doing the subtraction. The third step is writing the final answer that you are getting. Children, I hope you all are clear with how to solve the word problem and how to make a word problem also. So children, keep on practicing. Thank you.